Okay, so I'm now going to try changing out the transmission fluid on my 1997 Wrangler TJ. It's an inline 4 2.5 liter, and it's got the AX5 transmission. So one of the hardest things for me, being a first time doing this, is finding where the fill plug is located on this transmission, because there's a lot of different plugs. Okay, so I'm under the Jeep. It took me forever to find a video on YouTube that showed, this is the drain plug, so that's pretty easy, but where's the fill plug? And it is way back there, so I wanted to try to get a video that just showed it so people can find this, and it's a little bit easier. So there's this black capped sensor with wires coming out of it. That's towards the front of the Jeep, and then behind it is this hex head, and that is the fill plug. There are other fasteners back here. Some of them have Torx tip. Do not go with those. Go with this hex fastener, and that is what you need to remove in order to fill the transmission. And I think it says that you're supposed to do it till it's just a couple millimeters below the fill, but I don't know how you measure that. So I'm just gonna fill it up like you do the differentials till a little bit comes out, and we'll call it good. One thing you need to be aware of if you're doing this for the first time is that you do not need, and honestly you don't want to drop the skid plate to do this. I did not realize that the transmission was actually attached to the skid plate. I started to lower it. Luckily, I was using a jack to do it, noticed that everything was attached, so did some more YouTube searching, discovered that I do not want to swap out or take down the skid plate for this, so I'm doing it without. So I made sure I could remove the fill plug, so now I'm going to remove the drain plug and put in some 10W30. And the fluid looks really good, really clean, so that's really good to know.